friends, my name is MS Akhtar. This video is prepared about the crane inspection, which is very important for all the HSE professionals. So watch this video till the end to know what are the requirements and how to inspect it, what type of inspections are there. This is very useful. This will help you in the interview, passing the interview and working at site. So keep watching my video till the end and subscribe my video, like and give your comments. So for HSE officer, the basics of crane inspection, what you should know and how to do it. So first of all, I will explain why crane inspections matters. Okay, so crane is a very important and integral part of any operation. But as per the statistics, fatal accidents are tremendous. In my life also I have seen many fatalities. So from 2011 to 17, the statistics is there 42 crane related deaths per year in the US according to Bureau of Labor Statistics. Preventive reality is many accident preventable. That's for sure. Any accidents not happen because it has to happen. Because of certain mistakes, certain improper working condition or not fit for the job, not doing the proper inspection protocol and taking the measures. So right, and also there are very huge penalties are there during the inspection, increased 600% since 1990. It is a US statistic because they are collecting and analyzing. In India, nobody bother what is happening. Okay, so OSHA top crane violation. What are the top crane violations OSHA has found? That the inspection related violation cause more than citation than the next two violation combined. This stark reality underscores the reality, critical importance and maintenance. So regular inspection reduce downtime. That is the first thing. That's why this video is very important for you. Because if it is regular inspection is there before it fails, you can identify the problems and you can rectify. So most inadequate crane inspection are the first cause. That is why the things fail. So in the regulatory framework, just try to remember these things, which OSHA regulation applies where. So these two corporate federal regulation number 29/1926 subpart CC, because if you are working in anywhere in India also, in the Middle East also, so if any of the multinational companies investing in India, they will follow the OSHA regulation. So this number you have to remember, that crane and derrick in construction comprehensive safety requirement, it is given, and this 29 corporate federal 1910.179 and 180, and this one 2614D 142 is for the specific inspection requirement and mandatory inspection frequency for all crane type, because this is what we are going to discuss. So these are the things which is related to the different type of cranes. So who must inspect the crane? First of thing, there should be competent person is required. Safety officer should know knowledge of inspection and components of the crane. Crane is very important for all the HSE professionals. Then only you can supervise and monitor it. If the inspection is done properly or not frequently, you can inspect. So must possess knowledge of crane operation and throughout and thorough understanding of OSHA regulation. Flexible staffing option can be an on-site employee or qualified third-party inspectors. So depending on the yearly inspection, definitely the on-site it is not happening. It is a third-party inspection and certification. 6 months also there is a third-party certification of the below the ring and outriggers, which is called. Yeah, this one, lifting tackles. So documentation responsibility, competent person must maintain detailed inspection record, and because whatever you are doing the inspection, it has, you have to use a proper checklist, you have to inspect it, you have to keep it as a record. Because some, if you are inspecting with the, I will discuss what type of inspections are there for cranes. So type and frequency of inspection we are going to discuss now. What are the type? First of all, daily inspection. We used to give a checklist, a small one-page checklist. In this, it is there, and on the top, all the dates. So, driver will inspect and certify it and keep it with them, so that when you are going at site, you can ask for the that pre-shift or day, a day. Where is the daily inspection? It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So, operator can do it. Monthly by some of the site mechanic will do, and we used to put the sticker of the inspection sticker that this inspection was done, and it is a detailed inspection, every part we used to do, and there should be the mechanic who is doing the inspection should be qualified and who know the cranes and all the components, and definitely you as HSE officer you are going to certify it, so you also should know. So annual and periodic inspection, maybe 6 months, 1 month, or 3 months, 3 years, whatever it is there, for yearly, 3 yearly. So thorough and full inspection by the third party and get the certificate. Anything, if it is modified or something has got damaged, all the inspections are null and void. Just remember it. So practical insight, balancing through and time, daily focus areas are what we are doing in daily inspection. Concentration on obvious defects, for example, hook, crane, top etc, the booms are moving or not, brakes are working or not, horns are working or not, outriggers are working or not, this pad is there or not. So everything you check, the wind escape, there are checklists that we can provide. So weekly and monthly inspection, it is a little bit detailed inspection. It includes the full rope and cable inspections, may require up to 1 hour for comprehensive assessment. Every month there are comprehensive inspection, and as I have told, we used to put the sticker. So load operator perform daily checklist, detailed inspection by qualified personnel, and definitely yearly or 3 yearly by a third party. What to inspect? Key components will just structural and mechanical parts, boom, jeep, chassis, these things. The first part is inspect thoroughly for cracks, corrosion, structural deformation that could compromise load capacity. Okay, because if you are inspecting boom and hydraulics are functional or not, there is a leakage or not. So everything we used to check. Second is wire rope and chains. Wire rope and chains, chain drums. We used to go up and check all the. We open and check all the whether there is a cut or whatever is the deformation is there or not. Check for broken strands, excessive wear plate patterns, and proper lubrication levels. The third is hooks and hardwares. Verify safety latches are intact with no visible deformation or stress cracks. Okay, so that I am only talking about the crane part. The other lifting component, lifting tackles and lifting gears, that we will prepare another video how to inspect it and what are the things and what should be the frequency of this. Safety device and control, braking system, test its functionality and responsiveness under various load condition to ensure reliable stopping power. Limit switch you have to test in a monthly inspection, and quarterly definitely it is going out, so you will get the certificate by a third party, competent third party, which is certified by the by your client. Approval is required. Verify overhoist and travel limit are operational to prevent equipment damage and accident. Load and wind monitoring, that if it is working or not working. Load limit is now, earlier it was not coming, but now everything what load it is lifting, it will come on the screen. Check load indicators and meter for tower crane, ensure accuracy and proper working. Every nowadays all cranes are coming with all these features. What is the wind speed? Because above 20 miles per hour, no lifting is allowed. So hydraulic and electrical operation, the people will inspect all these things. Electrical, all the wirings they will check, and maybe some deformation is there, or maybe due to time some carbon has came, some spark is there or not. So documentation and record keeping requirement, legal protection, because it is a legal requirement to have the inspections, so that if in case if it fails, the insurance company will ask the all these documents, the third party certification, daily inspection you are doing or not, monthly inspection, what is your protocols. So legal protection, comprehensive record protect both workers and company from potential liability claims. Required, as I have told, OSHA has discovered that accidents happen because of the lack of inspection. So required information must include inspection data, inspector's name, detailed findings, and because nowadays if you go at construction site, they are just filling the forms. That is very dangerous to do. Do it properly. Predictive maintenance, whatever inspections you have done, and the what is the, as per the manufacturer, what is the maintenance requirement is there, whether they are done or not. And predictive maintenance enable trend tracking and early problem detection for proactive equipment management. So best practice for record keeping is a standardized checklist for every and each type of crane. You cannot have the for all cranes you cannot have one. So for all type of crane, truck mounted, crowder mounted, gantry crane, and other things, you should have a separate checklist with the proper headings. This is for the truck mounted 50-ton crane, or it's a 120-ton crane, 360-ton crowder crane. So develop and use tailored checklist specific for each crane type and operational requirement. Dual storage system, that means maintain both digital and physical copies that are easily accessible on site for inspectors. So you can keep it, because you have one office and different mega construction site, if you are there also. So they have in the network, you can put it in the folder, so that if anyone asks, they can immediately access that folder and they can produce the evidence. Historical review, always review past inspection reports before conducting new inspections, so that what are the defects found in the last inspection, whether it is rectified or not. Because you, after the inspection, you have to prepare a action plan, the way of who is due and what is the timeline. Because without rectifying the inspection, if it is not done properly and again you find it, then that is the going to be reveal that that maintenance was not done properly. So real world challenge and solution. So common inspection challenge. What are the common section challenges? Time pressure issue. We are very busy. We'll do it afterwards. Okay. Mafia lane badin. So then after it is a problem. Operation rushing or completely skipping daily checklist. You will see if you go at site, you will see like this. Daily inspection checklist is not there, and they have just filled it. If once you have checked, it is the defects is there, but they have plus. So you have to talk to the operator that you do it properly so that it can, before it goes wrong, it can be identified. Qualification can be widespread misunderstanding of competent person, role, requirement and necessary. Yeah, but it is a common problem. Any mechanic will go who is doing the greasing, they will go and inspect. He don't know about the cable drums and anything. Okay. So what is the role? I have asked one time, what is the role of outrigger for the person who is inspecting? Neither the HSE officer know, neither the mechanic know. This is the what is the if you go at construction site, these are the major problems. Competent person, anyone say they will push for the inspection. Operational balance difficulty balancing thorough safety inspection with demanding operational requirements. And अरे यार we'll have to finish it. Yalla 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 sura yalla sura. Jaldi finish it quickly. Finish it. अरे you just feel it and how you feel it later on. We will let the crane go. So proven investment, final takeaway, through vigilance, proven investment, regulatory competent inspection save both lives and money. If once the crane got damaged, its crane is finished. So do the inspection, operate it properly, and then maintain it for many years. That's what the management you have to convince. Empower your team, provide operation with clear, practical daily checklists that make safety second nature. This should become in the culture. Professional standards engage certified inspection for detailed inspection. I have definitely that many of the clients it is not an option, you have to do it. Meticulous documentation always you have to do, and you have to maintain because this is a legal requirement. If it missed, the company will be in big trouble. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, like it, and you subscribe my video and give your comments so that I can prepare your video for your career building exercise. Because I have 35 years experience and I am sharing my knowledge and experience for your betterment. Thank you.